Okay.
Welcome.
Hello, ladies. What do y'all want to say?
We want to welcome you guys to Astounding Love Global Fellowship.
Global Church.
Global Church Fellowship.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Christal Kemp.
Hi, my name's Dianne.
I'm Lesley.
And
What?
you're sitting in front of a popcorn machine where?
In our pastor's
Lonzine's
office.
And Sunday, August 1st is the first Sunday in the month of August.
August.
obviously.
August.
So what would you like to tell the people?
We'd like to invite you to come on out and enjoy the service. We start, I believe, at 10:45 on Sunday, and come hear the kingdom message.
If you want to get fed meat, this is the place you need to be. If you're wanting truth, unadulterated truth, the Word of God, opened up and made real so that you can apply and walk in it, this is where you need to be.
That's right.
True.
Lesley? She said,
Wait,
I'll
it
be
starts
here.
at 10 o'clock. What do we do from 10 to 10:45?
Oh, soaking, Yes.
There you go.
Soaking.
Decrusting.
decrusting.
Allowing God to
Decrusting.
decrust our hearts.
So do we welcome people here?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Come one, come all.
Where can they come to?
1914 Trade Zone Boulevard, San Jose, California. 95131.
131
Phone number?
408
945-4439.
So again, we give you thanks. This is
Christal.
Diana.
And Lesley.
Come See You for Biblical Solutions for Life.
Come out and see us for, well, not see us, but
Come
We'll be
see
here.
us.
Come see us,
Yes.
we'll be here. And we'll look better. This is impromptu, stand-up comedy. We were not prepared. We
Not
want
at all.
More
Oh,
color.
my goodness.
More color.
and enjoy Biblical
better hair.
Solutions for Life.
And this is a fun place.
It is.
In addition to
Can't you
learning-
tell? It's
Oh,
going to be
yeah.
great.
In addition
Come
to
on,
learning
come
truth,
on.
you'll also be entertained.
And that's a
else,
wrap.
Anything else you want to say?
No, that's it. That's
Okay.
about it.
See you Sunday.
See
See
you
you Sunday.
Sunday.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.